Welcome to my channel Farm Easy, where you will learn clinical pharmacy and therapeutics incredibly easy. Do you know why and how a drug regulatory authority withdraw medical products or medical devices from the market? Let's learn. If a medical product is found to have contaminated with microorganisms or its toxins, if there is a presence of wrong active ingredients or its doses, if there is any software issues of the medical equipment or any mislabeling errors such as mentioning of no expiry date or wrong expiry date, which can at least or cause major harm to the patient, then the company is bound to recall or withdraw the drug from the market. If a manufacturer recall its medical products from the market to ensure patient safety, then it is called as voluntary recall. And if the drug regulatory authority says to the manufacturer to recall the medical products from the market, then it is called as a regulatory recall. If the drug regulatory authority feels that the defective medical product caused immediate harm or life-threatening to the patients, then that recall is called as Class 1 recall. Recently, you might have heard about an incident of cough syrup which is contaminated with DEG and caused several deaths in children. In 2015, you might have heard about an incident where Maggi was recalled because of its lead contamination. These contamination can cause immediate harm to the patient. So this withdrawal or recall is called as Class 1 recall. If a medical product causes temporary or reversible harm to the patient, then the company or the drug regulatory authority is bound to recall the drug from the market, which is called as Class 2 recall. In 2021, the Alembic Pharmaceuticals has voluntarily recalled telmisartan 20 mg bottles which contained telmisartan 40 mg strength tablets from the market due to market complaints. In another famous incident where ranitidine was recalled from the market because of its heavy contamination of NDMA, which is a carcinogenic agent. However, for your information, FDA has reapproved the marketing of ranitidine once again in 2025. Class 3 recall is initiated when the manufacturer does not meet the manufacturing specifications, such as labeling issues which are very minor, but it does not cause any harm to the patients. Class 3 recall is conducted at the wholesale or at the retail level and not at the patient level. For example, in 2025, the US FDA has issued a Class 3 recall notice to the Sun Pharmaceuticals to recall its clindamycin topical solution because it didn't meet the manufacturing standards. If the Class 1 recall is initiated, then the company should withdraw the medical product within 3 days or 72 hours. If the Class 2 recall is initiated, then the manufacturer should recall the medical product within 10 days. Or if it is Class 3 recall initiation, then the company should recall the medical product within 1 month. But it should be under public notice. Now I hope you understood the difference between Class 1, Class 2 and Class 3 recall by the drug regulatory authorities. Thank you for watching my videos. If you want more informative videos like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.